Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your phone using your party box JBL Encore Essential. All you need to have to do in it is a USB-A to USB-C cable, but if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have USB-A to Lightning or even USB-A to micro USB. So open the plug at the back of your party box, right here. And here we have USB-A port, so connect USB-A cable to this port and USB-C to your phone. Now you should power on your speaker if you want to charge it. And right here, as you can see, I'm just turn on the party box and it starts to charge my phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.